Let's take you through a shocker of a story coming from Goa now, where 75 patients are dead in 4 days, all at one hospital. In fact, the city's biggest COVID facility over there, the Goa Medical College and Hospital. How did this happen? Well, apparently due to logistical issues in the supply of medical oxygen. 13 were reported dead on Friday, 15 on Thursday, 21 on Wednesday, 26 on Tuesday. All these deaths reported between 1 a.m. to 6 a.m.
Helpless patients inside Goa's biggest government COVID hospital scrambling for oxygen and beds, some even lying on the floor as beds are full capacity. And outside, a desperate appeal by a young daughter to save her parents' lives. Cecil Rodriguez, a former runner-up of a dance reality show, whose father and mother are both battling for their life inside the COVID ward.
Just requesting everyone around the world, please pray for Goa and for all the Goans, because it's very bad. It's a very bad scene here. And oximeters, which is the most important thing, are not being given to the doctors. What is happening with this government of ours? I mean, what decisions have they taken? Small things which are so important are being neglected.
The drums will fall silent as Dominique Araujo, a musician with a local band, lost his battle with COVID and with the system on the fateful night. While the oxygen levels dipped at the hospital, he was being moved to another ward without the support of any oxygen cylinder or even an attendant. As the oxygen levels dipped to zero, Dominique collapsed and died.
There were no beds available, but luckily we were able to get one bed. For 3 days he had no oxygen, no fan, but he was just lying there. The condition there was still very pitiful because every day, every time there were so many deaths.
In a horrific turn of events, 13 more patients died at this Goa government hospital on Friday as oxygen levels dipped for the 4th straight day, almost at the same time, between 2 a.m. and 6 a.m., taking the toll up to 75. The state government is facing opposition heat, with the Goa Forward Party, a former ally of the ruling BJP, filing a police complaint against the Chief Minister and senior government officers.
Now there is a complete collapse of governance in Goa. People believe now that more than the government, it should be the High Court that should rule Goa, because the government is doing nothing other than photo ops and filing cases against those who expose them.
74 people have lost their lives at the Goa Medical College due to lack of oxygen. It's not a death, rather it's a murder, and the blame with full responsibility lies on the Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Sawant, and the Health Minister, Mr. Vishwajit Rane.
The Goa Congress too plans to file a criminal complaint against the Chief Minister and the state's Health Minister. With Arturo D'Souza in Goa and Saurav Chakravarti, Anusya Mathur for NDTV.